Let's unlock the secrets of Windows networking by mastering essential command prompt tricks. Hello everyone, on today's video, we will discuss some of the simple yet very interesting and important command prompt tricks or commands. So first of all, open the command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. The first of command is ipconfig. So this command is used to display the IP configuration for all the network interfaces on your computer. However, this might not be enough. So ipconfig/all is similar to the previous command, and in addition it provides all other IP configuration detailed information including DNS server, DHCP settings and much more. But what do you want to do if you just want to search in text within files? So in this context you can use it as ipconfig/all, a pipe, and then type in find str, and if you want to find DNS connection, just type in DNS, and just by that you can see all the information related to DNS only. Now if you want a command that displays the contents of the DNS resolver cache which contains recently resolved DNS queries, you need to tap in ipconfig/display DNS. Now what do you want if you want to copy it to another place? For that you have to type in ipconfig/display DNS, pipe and clip. Once that is done, you can go to any of other slides and then you can just paste the information and you will get all the DNS information right in a click. Moving on to the next solution or the next command, it is ipconfig/DNS. So this command basically clears the DNS resolver cache, which will be useful if we are experiencing DNS resolution issues. The next command is CLS. This clears the command prompt window, providing a clean slate for new commands. Moving on to the next command is nslookup. This command is used to query DNS servers to look up and resolve domain names into IP addresses. It's valuable because for troubleshooting DNS related problems, it can be of great use. The last command on today's video is getMAC/v. So this command basically displays the physical MAC, which is media access control address of all network adapters on our computer. The /v option is used to provide additional details. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.